Hey guys, today we are going to play MMV, and if I rage quit, I have to play just to impress round. And I hate just to impress. I do not know why, but I hate just to impress. Or should I play Baddies Brawl? Should I play Baddies Brawl? Yeah, I'm gonna play Baddies Brawl. So it's a Baddies Brawl game. And if I rage quit or get mad and leave, then don't mind my outfit going on. She might be AFK, but she might. Let's take off her hair. It's Hercules. Okay. It's just staring at me.
I'm not gonna beat you up.
I'm going to ask. Thanks for the free. There's 12 more days. I only have 45. I'm just acting like a noob. But first, I have to check her profile to see if she has it. Oh my god. Okay. So she does not have the karate style. Okay, sent it. I sent it hello. Even though it's a little blurry, even though it's the same thing, I'm stuck with karate style now. I'm gonna ask somebody else. This baby. If you see his username, okay. It's okay. Oh, he has nothing.
So why do you guys beat me up again?
Don't mind that, I was gonna die. I need. Wait, Lulu? Dang it, she has karate. Oh! Let me just do a little. Okay? They can stay away from me, please. Please. I did nothing wrong to you. I'm not, hello, turkey. But you're literally a turkey. You're literally a turkey. It's bacon. Yes. I don't want to have a kill streak, so I'm going to reset because I don't want the kill streak or people are gonna target me. Oh gosh, that was the biggest lag I ever had. She's just looking at me and me. Oh. I almost forgot when the thing was. Okay, girl trying to steal my turkeys, and I stopped. Damn! Is that me again? Or is it somebody else? Okay, time to put in another turkey before it gets cold. Thank you for me. Later. We're gonna do it later. Like, don't do that. Stop. Get this thing open. Okay, now that's gonna be payback. That's gonna be payback. Where is she? Stay away. Now it wants to show up. Wow. Is that me lagging? Yes! Come chase me. Come chase me. Oh, you don't want to chase me. Oh, that's too bad. Oh, come on. Come on, fight. At least I want to fight. Actually, sorry. Actually. Let's play another game, maybe? Because that just pissed me off. Yeah, we're gonna play a different game. Okay. Don't listen to the background. Okay. Sorry. Oh, my bestie. Oh, dang it. I didn't join it. But whatever. I joined somebody else who I don't know. One, two, $10. Ooh, I can be like a tryhard. Yes. Good thing I searched up her name. Yes, I could be a tryhard. A tryhard. Who says ooh woo no more? Dad? Dad stayed inside. She is being weird and calling people daddy. Return from the experience. Okay, so I'm murdering. Let's team up on the pick me. So I'm privately chatting with her. Oh my god. But I'm gonna be murderer again.
That's the good thing. But you have to still have to make sure, you know, when they tell you to come back, you come back the next time. So with what? With your told you. You know, I give you that speech. Yeah, no, but if it's really bad, just call to Sarge. Like the Sarge was driving the. You remember the time?
Dad,
Hold on, I'm on the phone. Yeah. You said 12, what, 12 midnight? So, that's what you said? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to laugh. Yeah, yeah. Alright, so this is what you gotta do, right? You call, I think it's not Jabbar, it's Healy. I mean, yeah, Healy. Call Healy, like, yo, Healy, this is Jack. Whatever. Yesterday I was at work around midnight. I didn't make a report, but I should have, because my hand is swollen right now. And I might have to go to the doctor. She might have to, because your hand might be really that bad. Because you don't know if it's affected or not. You're gonna have to go to the doctor. But you really got this once in a while to pick up the thumb.
Daddy, who's that?
Hold on, who's that? Hi, Gabby. So, yeah, I'm telling you, you're gonna have to do like, yo, I hurt my hand yesterday when I was driving the captain. Shit, I went home. I'm looking at my hand. My hand's like, my hand is swollen. My hand is swollen, and it's my good hand, it's my thumb. It's swollen, and that's it's swollen, and you might have to go to the doctor. So one thing at a time, first let him know, the paper, let him know, give him a heads up. Because remember, you got 24 hours to do the paper. You should have mentioned to the XO yesterday. Okay. So, allow him. Yeah, but look at now. Now you hurt, and then you go a week before vacation. Uh-huh, sure. So, yeah, that's what you're gonna do is call and let them know that, and then you gotta call your sick desk. But you don't need all the paperwork. You have your department phone with you? How you supposed to do the design duty work? No, you don't have to go to work. You don't have to. But, like, it's better to do your stuff within 24 hours. Because remember, they always tell you 24 hours. I think they said within 24 hours of your injury from work. You should always document it first. That's why I would. Tell you. It doesn't matter. I keep telling you once again. It doesn't matter. You can even slip and fall. Even if you slip and fall, you don't have to go sick or line of duty. You just tell them, yo, I slip and fall. I want to do my line of duty paperwork. Sure, fine. Because the next day you don't realize you broke your tailbone, and then the next day you're like, oh crap, I fell and I broke my tailbone. You know what I'm saying? So you should, again, like I said, call the sergeant. Tell him like, you were driving next to yesterday. You slammed your finger at the door, 85. And after that, you stay adrenaline, you got that of it. Now you're home now. Your finger, same thing you slammed, it's swollen. You might have to go to the doctor. I think you might have to go to the doctor. Just go to, just go real quick. I mean, go to the, urgent care real quick. It's not closed. you gonna go online and do it? Yeah, call him. Call him. Huh? Yeah, you gotta call him. Call him now. And just let him know that my hands feel bad. And I have to go to the doctor. But it's not gonna be considered safe to do line of duty, which means because you got hurt for it at work when you're in uniform. No, for real, though. It's gonna be taxation. Yeah, ja, 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 ja. Yeah, tell him, yeah, I'm gonna have to go sick. My hand's bad, and I might have to go to the doctor. Two things you're gonna have to do. Tell him you forgot to do the paperwork. Yes, for your thing. You forgot to tell him that I told the whole story or no? Call him. Yeah, hold on. Go ahead. Do it with him and then call me back. Ja. Call him. Don't text him. Yes, baby.
Who was that?
Somebody at work.
Too loud.
Alright, baby. What are you gonna eat, baby? Baby.
Yes. Yes.
It's almost time to go to the movie. I know you hungry. Or you want to eat the rest of your food or no? Or you want to eat popcorn? Or you want to, like, when we leave, get this thing to eat? Dímelo, mi amor. Dímelo.
I don't know. I'm recording a video, Dad. So people could hear you. So people could hear you. I'm recording.
This is not Dad. This is a stranger who was singing. It was a stranger who was singing.
I'm recording.
It's not your dad.
I'm recording.
It's not your dad. It's a stranger who's singing.
I'm recording.
That's pretty funny.
Okay. They actually heard you sing it. I'm recording. I'm screen recording. And then I'm gonna post it. Look. See, I'm screen recording. Screen recording.
You still recording?
Yeah.
So why are you talking? You're still recording. And it's not your father. It's a stranger.
It's you, Dad.
No, it's not. I'm not dad. I'm a stranger.
I'm recording. Daddy, so if you sing, they're gonna hear you, and I'm still gonna post it.
It's not dad.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I'm a stranger.
I'm calling you Dad right now, and you just asked me what I want to
I'm not
eat.
dad. It's a stranger.
It is Dad.
These guys are savages, bro.
He could hear you, Dad. They could hear you, Dad.
He's not dad. This is a stranger. Why are you screaming? The stranger asking me, why are you recording it and sending it to her?
I thought you said that you were a stranger. I'm still recording.
No, it's a stranger. I go to a stranger and you love them. I don't love you. I'm a stranger.
Headshot 223. Shield back. Okay.
Siempre le tocan a la misma.
Shut up. Just do it. I don't care about that. Just take out the bug.
I'm still recording.
I'm a stranger.
distancia, apenas te miro. Apenas miro esa batalla y ya sé que vas a caer mal. Ya sé. Le matas a tu amigo. Ah, tu amiga es la chef. ¿Sabes? Voy a esconder. Ahí está. Hello. With me.
I'm recording. It's over there.
Come here.
Yes?
Why is this on the floor? I'm trying to turn
off the plate when I was pulling it out.
Hits them while speeding down the left lane at over 70 miles an hour. It would be like dropping from Mercedes speed from a 12-story building full of Rebecca's team was their own recreation video. In their version, Nancy waiting for Scott to slow down. Then she drives away to save Zach. The boys are then seen crossing the road. Roughly crosswalk. Scott's SUV hits them, sending one flying into the air. That's when Rebecca comes through at the white speed. Then she sees the white car exactly where Mark and Jacob were. The white car crosses, and the kids stop. There are a lot of flaws in Rebecca's version of the story.
I just want to hear what time she did.
There wasn't a screen
I'm recording, Daddy.
Mercedes. Meanwhile, her white car is dented and scratched. On day 3 of the trial, Nancy gets emotional when the jury is convicted.
Look, I'm recording so they can hear your phone too.
She wails, "My Marky." Then comes from the court. Rebecca refused to plead guilty. Wasn't that heartbreaking? After he speaks at a school about the dangers of speeding and reckless driving. At first, it seems like the prosecution is fighting an uphill battle. To prove second-degree murder, they have to show implied malice, meaning Rebecca intended to kill even though she didn't technically plan on ending everyone that day. In California, prosecutors can seek second-degree murder if they think someone has implied malice or force.
It's a troll.
2013 speeding ticket.
Mr. Grossman to apologize, to take
There's two of these.
She just chose to fight to the end, and it was heartbreaking to see the lawyer.
Can you put that down a little bit, please?
I'm very glad that this
Please.
they couldn't.
Nancy remembered going to the ER
Oh my God.
another hours after the accident. Inside the hospital, her other son was dying.
Can you put that down a little bit?
The eye Nancy told reporters that was the moment to say something. She didn't say a word. All right, that's a wrap on another chilling recap. We won't give them that This brings us back to Rebecca's 2013 speeding ticket. The officer warned her bluntly, speeding can injure or kill someone. That means that whenever Rebecca speeds, she's technically engaging in a dangerous act that she knows perfectly well can kill somebody. When she decided to go 80 down a quiet street so she could play tag with her boyfriend's car, she did so knowing someone could die. This blatant disregard for human life is enough for a jury to find her guilty of 2 counts of second-degree murder. She fought it as hard as she could, but the judge shut her down fast. She was hoping for probation, but on June 10th, 2024, Rebecca Grossman got 15 years to life in prison.
When people ask me,
Passwords.
Come on, load. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Mm-hmm.